So today I'll be showing you how to repost Instagram Reels. Now I'll show you one official method and then I'll show you some workarounds you can use to repost Instagram Reels. So the first method, let's just go ahead and open a reel like this one. So you can repost this reel by reposting it to your stories. Okay, so you can tap on the share icon, this little arrow here, tap on it, and then if the user allows, you'll have the option to add to story. So if you tap on that, it's going to prepare an Instagram story for you, which you can then customize the way you want it to appear on your stories. And then once you're happy, or maybe you can even add some text, you can mute, you can add stickers, filters, you can even add your own music. Okay, and then once you're happy, you can just post to your stories. And that particular reel will now be posted and available for your own followers on your stories. So when your followers look at your Instagram stories, they should find that particular reel reposted there. And if they want to watch the full video, they can always tap on it and then tap on watch full reel. So that's the first way you can repost an Instagram reel. Now another way is very new. Now Instagram has introduced a way of downloading people's Instagram reels. Now if the user allows you to download their Instagram reel, as you're watching the reel and you tap on this icon, you will find a download option. So you can actually download someone's Instagram reel and then re-upload it to your own profile. So let's wait for it to download. So once it's finished downloading, let's check it out in the gallery. So here it is. Now all downloaded Instagram reels will have the username of the person who originally posted that reel. So you can see this one has Joe Moshiri on the handle there, and it's gonna keep moving, okay, and the Instagram logo. So even if you repost this, people will know that the original person who posted this video was this particular user. So now you can go to your Instagram app, go ahead and post a new reel, and you can post that particular reel to your own Instagram stories. Now if you want to, you can also add some text. You can even tell people who originally posted this video, and then you can go ahead and share that Instagram reel to your own profile. So that's the second way of reposting Instagram reels. Let me just quickly choose close friends only and then tap on done and then share, and that's going to post that reel to my own profile. My followers will be able to watch that particular Instagram reel. Now let's just wait for it to post or to finish uploading. So there you go, it's now on my profile, as you can see, and people can watch that particular reel on my own Instagram profile. Right here it is, right here. So another way you can post, or rather you can repost Instagram reels, is by using remixes. So let's go back to reels and find a reel we can remix. So let's pick this one for instance. All right, now if you tap on the three dot button here, if a user allows it, you will see the option to remix. So you can tap on that, and then remix basically allows you to add a video clip either before or after someone's original Instagram reel. So this is a reel, and if we tap on next, it's going to ask us to add clip or sticker. All right, now to add a clip, simply tap on the camera icon, or you can go to your gallery and pick a reel. Now for me, I'm just going to add a sticker here. So for instance, I'll just go ahead and maybe even add a location sticker, or let's try something else, or maybe a photo. So I'm going to add my photo here to that particular reel. You kind of have to modify the reel a little bit to be able to use it in a remix. So once I add that, then I can now go ahead and tap on next, and then as you can see, I have the option to share this new reel to my own profile. So those are the ways you can repost Instagram reels. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.